Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. This time I am sitting on a small home estate. Behind me there is another home estate. It's my uncle, owner of this home estate. It is one of the largest home estate in this field. So you first of all I want to show my surroundings. You that and you are enjoying from this. I hope you can do a little bit better. So where actually I am standing, beside me there is a canal. It's a water canal called, that is beautiful to look at and too beautiful for everything. This is the time where there is no people surrounding me. For this it is cool. There is no man-made sound. There is any pollution without sound of birds or different kind of animals. So this video, my main focus is to help you to talk about nature. So what am I feeling at this time? What am I hearing at this time? I'm hearing the sounds of birds. That makes me happy, pleasurable sound of birds. Another thing is that I'm sitting in front of the direct sunlight and I can't see the sunlight properly, even the camera also, because the sun temperature is little bit hot, although it's about to afternoon time, but the temperature is decreasing. It's going to sunset down time to time. Okay, and where am I actually sitting? There the surface is full of the grass, and this grass is not man-made. It grows naturally. This is another thing. And but there is something more happening I want to show you. That is, let me clear this. When I was a child with my parents, we used to play with this type of followers. I have no idea about this followers name. If you have idea, you can comment down in the comment box. Its smell is little bit good, but color is super for this reason. And this is favorite followers of me, but I have no idea. It's look like a sunflower, but it's not sunflower. This followers is also making man-made. Okay, it's not man-made, it's a naturally growing. Whatever we eat, everything we get by naturally or by nature, and every products, every eating foods, everything which we get from nature, it's pure. And when you eat this, you will get productivity, you will get lot of energy, protein, vitamin, etc. things you will get. Because in this year it's very tough to eat the natural thing, because everything is artificial and it is very hard to find out, etc. things. So look at the point of this. I don't know actually who is the owner of this home estate. From my childhood, I have been seeing this. I am seeing this home estate, and behind this there is some plain field where I used to play, or we used to play. Even during the pandemic, we used to come to the field this here and we used to play cricket. It's one of the pleasurable thing of my life also. And it is very super dangerous things, because world is getting overpopulated, over pollution, everything is negatively we are seeing that. But still in Bangladesh there are some popular thing. Still there are some oldest site. One of this is village life is natural thing. It's God gifted. So only village, if you come here, you will get everything natural things, and you can get pleasure. You will hear the sounds of birds. You can talk to a pure person, which is not available in city, because city is full of the, most of the people are corrupted. They are most of the people is illegal person in, and there everything is negative, like overpopulation, over pollution, the pollution of water, everything is negative. About everything is negative, like most of the things is negative. Like who the person who's living in city, they wants to live in nature. The main reason here is free everything, and there is no disturbedness person in our locality. They are pure, they are good, and they are very awesome. I hope from this video you have learned how to describe your surroundings. This video's main focus, I want to help you to talk about the surrounding places and to talk about how to start speaking your surrounding. I hope from this video you have learned many things. Otherwise, you should watch this video again. How am I started, or how do I start? Okay. Goodbye for now. I'll come back another video. For the time, keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye.